Bisan himodelo og usa ka surfer gihulagway nga certified hunk ug karon certified kapuso na. Let's all welcome mga kapuso, Luis Hontiveros. Mayong buntag Luis and welcome to GMA Regional TV Live.
Mayong buntag Cecil, mayong buntag sa inyo Cebu. I'm very happy to be here. Thank you for having me, Cecil.
And we're so happy to have you here sa programa namin. Kumusta ka na? What have you been up to the past few months?
Mabuti naman. For the past few months, just like everyone else, I've been on lockdown with my family. So, just basically trying to be healthy, staying fit. Mostly bonding with the family lang, trying to cope up with the whole pandemic situation. Yun lang naman.
Una sa lahat, Luis, congratulations for being a certified kapuso. How excited are you to do more projects dito sa GMA?
And I'm very excited na makatrabaho pa yung iba natin mga kapuso. But for now, medyo mabagal lang yung proseso ng ating transition dahil nga sa pandemic. But hopefully soon, when things get better, makakapag-share na ako sa inyo ng aking craft at mga bagong proyekto.
Are you more interested ba to do drama, action, or rom-com? Ano yung mga roles na gusto mong i-portray?
Gusto ko yung mga roles ng character ko yung may mga mentally challenged or may mental illnesses, ganyan. I want to spread the word, I want to talk about this issue, mental health in general.
And earlier you mentioned na excited ka nang makatrabaho yung mga kapwa-kapuso mo. Sino-sino yung mga kapuso actresses na gusto mong maging kapartner?
Lovi po is one. Rian Ramos.
Bagay nga naman. Pero ngayon, Luis, throwback tayo. When you started modeling, paano ka nakapasok sa mundo ng modeling?
Professionally, I started back in 2013. Started sa ramp modeling, and then I did some commercials as well and print ads.
And aside from modeling and acting, mahilig ka din sa surfing, Luis. Paano nagsimula itong pagkahilig mo?
It started, first time I surfed was around, I think, 2017 or maybe 18. Can't remember when exactly, but since then, in love na talaga ako. Natuto ako mag-surfing because I did a campaign. We had a photo shoot sa La Union to, and then may surfing yung isa sa mga layouts namin. So, na-enjoy ko talaga yon. After ng serie na ginawa ko before, I took a break from work. Nag 1 week kami nung aso ko, si Barry, sa Baler. And then nag-aral lang ako ng surfing.
Nice.
For 1 week.
Ang galing naman. Ang sarap nun. So ngayon, Luis, please thank and invite our viewers sa mga guestings mo and of course, your social media accounts.
Ayan, mga kapuso, ako po si Luis Hontiveros. You could follow me on social media at Luis Hontiveros7. Tune in at magabang na lang tayo sa aking mga projects through my social media posts. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat din, Luis, for spending your morning with us.
Maraming salamat for having me, Cecil. And stay safe and healthy.
Stay safe. Thank you, Luis.
Thank you.
That was Luis Hontiveros, mga kapuso, sa mga bagong artist nga magpakilig o magpalingaw kaninyo sa maabot niyang mga proyekto dinhi sa Kapuso Network. Ug mobalik pa ang GMA Regional TV Live.